We'll guide you through how to log out Facebook on all devices. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Over time, you're going to log into your Facebook account on loads of different devices, because as you go and upgrade your phones, you go and get different computers, perhaps you go and use other devices like other people's, you borrow them, etc. So it's a good idea for security reasons to go and log them out, because otherwise they can go and access your Facebook and go and see your messages and your profile. So for security reasons, it's a good idea. Or perhaps you're worried another device has got access. So what we can do is we can go and see the devices which have access to our account, and we can go and log them out, and we're going to log them all out. So to go and get started with this, it's much easier than you probably think. You need to head to the bottom right of Facebook or the top right, depending upon where the menu button is. Then what you need to do is go and tap there like so. Now we need to head to the Facebook settings. So you can press on the gear or cog icon in the top right, or alternatively, you can go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for settings and support, and you can go and tap there like this. Then at the top, you'll see the option for settings and you want to go and click on it like so. Here we are. At the top of settings and privacy, you're going to go and see the option for account center. That's where we need to go. So you can go and tap there like this. Next, you need to go and scroll down. There'll be lots of different things relating to your account here. And you need to go and find the option for password and security, and you can go and tap there. Now you want to go into security checks, and you'll go and see the option where you're logged in. So what you want to do is go and click there like so, and then you'll go and see the accounts here, and you need to go and choose your Facebook account, as you may go and have Instagram as well. So tap there. Now we can go and see the logins on other devices. So you can go and press select devices to log out. You can go through this list here and see them. And to go and log them all out, you can press select all to the right. So they're selected. Then at the bottom, you can go and press log out like so and confirm your decision. You can see you've been successfully logged out. So that's it. If you want to, you could also go and log this device. And to do that, you can press the menu at the bottom, scroll down and press log out. But of course, you may want to go and keep this device logged in. So it's going to be up to you.